Hey guys, welcome back. Today I have an unboxing. I haven't had one of those in a while. Actually, I unboxed stuff, but I didn't quite share it online with you guys. Story is I got a new watch. It's a decor. You will see in the title. So I will show you right now, but I want to unbox it, show it to you, and give you a quick review because this one's on a bracelet. I already reviewed this particular watch, but I want to share it with you. And the story is EDC little story. The guy courier, the FedEx guy. Oh, it's on the FedEx, but it's our version of FedEx, and you can buy a package, and you have the option. You pay a little bit extra, and you open it to check out if it's not a brick inside or a spanner or wrench tool. Actually the item is in there. Is it functional? Everything is okay. Then if you say all okay, then you can pay, and all is good. But thing is, when you get these packages, you have to wait until the FedEx guy calls you. I just call him a FedEx guy, and me and my buddy, we find a way around it. And my friend usually likes to call the headquarters, says, I'm in a big hurry, I need to go on a road trip, I'm going on a road trip, can your guy just call me as soon as possible, and I will meet him anywhere he is. I will be there in 5 minutes. But he does that quite often, so I'm saying to him, you're gonna get blacklisted. So what I use today, because I don't want to wait till, I don't know, early afternoon or afternoon to get my package. I need to see my package right now. I'm gonna open it with my Spyderco Persistence, one of my favorite EDC blades. It's very cheap and very useful, and I'm gonna open it now. But what I did, I said, I'm sorry, I have a surgery I need to do at 12 o'clock, so can please your guy contact me as soon as possible. I need to operate the guy or whatnot. And sooner or later, 2 minutes later, the guy's on the phone. Hey, Mr. EDC Gunner, I have a package for you. So I'm opening it, so let's just change perspectives and we can check out my new watch. Okay, I haven't touched anything before you guys, so I cut this and I'm gonna open it. I'm doing this upside down because I don't want to show the informations of the sender and mine or whatnot, but you can contact me for address anytime you want. So look at this paper. I scared the guy. He needs to wrap it really good because the guys in the post don't really care if it says fragile in it. So yeah, this is the watch. This is the watch I got. This is the Heuer Formula 1. This is gonna be basically catch and release because I already own one, and this is a quartz Formula 1. I do enjoy having these watches, and this is a good watch. I always like having one quartz watch, but if a good offer comes up, I'm gonna release it because I'm using the watch money and flipping and trading money just for the watches, and I wanna further progress and get maybe an automatic one instead of a quartz one. And you know the story. But here is the watch. Here's the first impression. Just pause and move the box. Okay, well, now we have a little bit angle, a bit more light, and it's a beautiful watch. I actually reviewed this one in box and papers, but it was on a rubber band. So what I'm really curious about this one is the quality of a Heuer Formula 1 bracelet. And as I can see right now, this is a used watch, by the way, and this is the best buy used. These watches are the best bought used condition. The price from retail dramatically drops, and it's a quartz piece. Nothing wrong with it, cannot be wrong with it. Nice handling, solid links. The bracelet feels really nice. Let me check out the clasp. Clasp is a bit sharp. Clasp is a letdown. It's a folded tin, but it doesn't feel like folded tin from Seiko SKS or any Seiko. It feels a bit sturdier and solid, but definitely is a letdown, and you will find a better clasp on a Longines Hydro Conquest. However, on the used market, I don't look at the stuff like this, but I'm just here to share to you. If you haven't seen my review of this watch, this is VAZ 1110. I reviewed this exact same watch on a rubber band and the full box and papers and everything, but this one is equally as nice. Let's see the bezel action, and I thought the bezel on this one is plastic, but it's not. It's aluminum. It has a nice action, and it has a beautiful noise. It's a beautiful noise of the bezel. The bracelet's all brushed. Stainless steel case is brushed. Screw down crown. Quartz, no nonsense piece, beater, everyday sporty watch. And like I said, you're better off buying this one used, but if you want to buy it brand new, you can get a good watch. And if you're not a watch guy, you can get a good watch that will serve you for many years. Just change the battery and the seals, and it's a good watch. But if you're into watch collecting, you can have this watch to be your weekend watch, for sports, for bikes. And look out on eBay, Fleabay, Craigslist, and places like that, and you can definitely get a good deal for watches like this. And again, this watch is best bought used. So I'm edcgunner. Thank you for watching. This was a quick unboxing / review of the Formula 1 Tag Heuer quartz piece, and it's a cracking watch. And if you want to see more and more in-depth information, check out my review. I will link you in the description box. Oh, I forgot to give you a wrist shot, and I believe this is 42 millimeters across diameter, but I'm not really sure. But it feels nice on the wrist. It's very comfortable, and the bracelet is really solid except for the clasp. So I think that's all info I will give you right now. So another catch and release by edcgunner.